Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to boost VMware Workstation performance on Windows 11 or 10 PC by disabling power throttling on Windows 11 and 10. If you experience that VMware Workstation guest machine is too slow, you can increase performance a lot. I have just provided 4 GB RAM to this one VMware workstation player, and my Windows 11 runs like anything. It runs like a rocket. You can't assume after disabling this one power throttling feature your VMware workstation player will run like anything. For this, click on this one start button and then type here CMD. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry, select run as administrator option, click yes in case Windows prompts, then copy and paste this one command. I will provide this one link in the video description. From there you can copy this one command. After that put one space, then right click on the shortcut of the VM player workstation, click on open file location, right click on this one VM player executable file. Here just rename it and copy this one using Ctrl C. In the address bar, click out extremely on the right side and put like this one slash, then paste the name of this one executable file, then type .exe and then copy complete path by pressing Ctrl C from your keyboard. Now in the command prompt, put one inverted comma, then paste the path of the VM player executive file. Again, close the inverted comma, then press enter on the keyboard. Close this one command prompt entry. In case you had already opened the VMware player workstation, just close it once and start it. And in case you have already closed VMware player and after that you have executed the command, you will see a lot of performance improvement on your Windows PC. I have just allotted 4 GB of RAM to Windows 11 machine and it runs very fast on my PC. I will show you. This is my Windows 11 virtual machine. I show you allotment of the RAM. You can see here I have allotted only 4 GB. You can also see here RAM allotment is 4 GB, and in front of you I will just run it and you can see how fast it is. This one is loading. Just loaded. I can log in on my guest Windows 11 now. Before this it was taking around 2 to 3 minutes to boot my guest Windows 11. After that, when I was clicking on any application, it was taking a lot of time in opening. Now I can use this one guest machine very fast. There is no issue in my guest machine, and host also working well. That's all about this video. If you love this video, press thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. Bye bye.